I can do a little bit there.
Yeah.
But after I had some stuff, I've got some more of the poster board to do. Most of the rest of them, you can't.
Might work pretty good on this side over here, just put the fencing in.
What I do is I cut it about this wide and do an over, and I do that and I keep moving down, I keep blocking off a little more. This one's essentially dark enough in there that, you know, I really can't get in there to work at it, so I can't do anything else on this one, essentially. But it's pretty much dark enough you can't see if you don't look. I couldn't do much more to it anyway. This one I've got some of the paper I got to redo, but that wasn't. Trouble is you can't get them organized in the other direction. It was well,